Hey, prices are going up fast on homes these days. Sometimes the lenders are not keeping up with that. It gets complicated, but you don't need to worry about it. We know how to make your offer stand out. One of those is an appraisal shortfall rider. One way to make a seller feel very comfortable with your offer is we'll let them know that we agree with the price that we've put together for them. And let's just say that the bank's going to come out and they're not quite as aggressive and they're being a little cautious. Their appraiser came in and said the price was worth, the home was valued a little bit less than the price that's agreed upon between the buyer and the seller. One thing we can do to get your offer accepted is we can put together an appraisal shortfall rider. This will say that we will pay up to X amount over top of the appraised value up to the established contract value. Give us a call today. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home team. Everybody on our team understands how this works. We'll explain it to you when the time comes.